to our 20th Kotlin tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you guys about the Kotlin output and how you can display output on the output screen and how you can print the values of variables on the output screen. So we have been using this print line statement, and in Kotlin we have two statements that can be used to print something on the output screen. The first one is the print statement, and then we have print line statement. So this print statement is used when you do not want to generate a new line after printing your message. For example, if I write print and then any message, for example if I type Kotlin and then again I use another print and I write programming, so after this message, after this string Kotlin, we will have programming on the same line, debug, and you will see on the output screen. Now you can see Kotlin programming on the same line. So this print statement, when used, it doesn't generate a new line, but when we use the print line function, it will generate a new line. It means that it will place the cursor on the beginning of the next line. So when we use the print line statement, our message will be printed, then a new line will be generated and our cursor will be placed on the beginning of the next line. So Kotlin will be printed, and on the next line programming will be printed. Build, run, and here you have the output Kotlin and then programming. So now you can also use these print and print line statements to print the values of the variables. And how you would do that? You can create a variable. First of all, you have to create a variable, for example a, and then any value 12, and now print or print line, whatever you want to use. If you want to generate a new line, then you can use the print line statement, and if you do not want to generate a new line and want to place the cursor on the next line, then you can use the simple print statement. So in this print line statement, I can display a message value of a equals, and then I can use the name of the variable a with a $sign. So I'll put a $sign and then a. So now here we will have our value, debug, and you can see here value of a is 12. So now how you can print the values of the variables? You have to use a $sign when displaying message. If you are not displaying any message here, then you can simply write the name of the variable and it will print the value of the variable. Debug or run, whatever you want, and then you can see here 12 is printed on the output string. Now in Java we have used the system.out.println statements, but in Kotlin we simply write print line statement or the print statement. If you are using print in Java, then you have to use system. You have to write as system.out.print or print line, whatever. But in Kotlin programming language, you simply have to write print line or print, and Kotlin will internally call this system.out.println statement. We can see here, if I put a cursor here and then go to navigate and then declaration, or I can simply press the combination Ctrl+B, I will be on the console.kt class. So in this class you can see that the print line function is called internally system.out.println and message. So now this is the main advantage of Kotlin programming language, that the code is reduced to half. If you have code of at most 10 lines in Java programming language, you can do that same thing in 2 to 3 lines in Kotlin programming language. So guys, in this tutorial we have talked about the print and print line function and how you can print the values of the variables along with the messages that you want to display on the output screen. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.